Hello, my name is Diana Salamanca, and I want to share my experience during my internship at Swisscom. In this presentation, I will talk about the company, the project, my contribution, challenges, learnings, and suggestions. About the company, Swisscom is the leading telecom provider in Switzerland. It has over 19,000 employees. In addition to Switzerland, Swisscom has two DevOps centers in Riga and Rotterdam with the purpose of attracting highly skilled migrants or professionals from abroad. Regarding the product, Swisscom offers for residential customers, mobile telephony, network internet, and digital TV services. And for businesses, business customers, they offer network, cloud, and ICT services. Vision is innovator of trust, and the values are trustworthy, committed, and curious. About the project, the team. I was working for the team in charge of enterprise application services. My team was fully remote. The Scrum Master and architect that who were responsible for us were located in Switzerland, and my colleagues and apprentice and another intern were located in Switzerland and Riga. I used to go to the office at Rotterdam twice a week. Regarding to the name and the objective, the name was Audit Log Collector, and the objective of this project is have applications where the automatic instrumentation for open telemetry will be used to get information such as authenticated user and the data being accessed. That information will be picked up later by the Kafka topic. That this information will be used for an internal app in Swisscom that now is under construction. The architecture, we use Kubernetes in a single node setup and work with different two different namespaces. One for the backend, the front end, and OpenTelemetry, and the other one for Kafka. I deployed that solution in my local environment. Regarding to my contribution, was to develop two separate apps in Java for the backend and in Angular for the front end. Another task was to research about open telemetry and provide the team key points about the best solution or best ways to use that in Kubernetes. And I also did some tests to find the best solution to deploy Kafka in Kubernetes and find the best fit. And I also create the source files, YAML files to do that. And as a complementary task, I wrote documentation for the internal wiki and also create and present slides for the demos that was required inside the area and create and update user stories in Jira. The challenges were basically regarding to the setup. We were not allowed to use certain tools like Docker Desktop, so is that we have to use another technologies like Lima, Rancher Desktop to find what was the best fit for our local environment. Other thing was asking permission for get access to the information because Swisscom cares about a lot about the integrity and security. Another challenge was handle differences between architectures because in our team we have different machines, Windows and Mac. We have to be sure or be able to deploy that solution in both machines. And last one, work with the entire team remote, mostly by our own. I have to say, Codam gave me the tools to able to manage that because the way what we are doing the projects is ask to peers, find the solution. So it's super nice to have that from the school. About the learnings, before the internship, thanks to Codam again, I know some basics about Docker and Kubernetes, and I just knew about tools like Docker Desktop and Minikube. Now I know how to use other alternatives, especially in these big companies like Lima, Rancher Desktop, KTS, and I learned about different ways to keep images using artifacts instead Docker Hub. I understood also the benefits to work in agile methodology and keep updated about the progress during the project and the importance of the feedback as well. During the project, I learned the basis about other technologies like OpenTelemetry and Kafka, and also how to work remotely and organize my time, especially at home. Also, another, I think with this internship, the goal was be more immersed in a real work, in a real company, in a real task. So I did quite well in that. So yeah, and about the suggestions, to be afraid to ask questions. The networking is super important to get a future jobs. Be open mind and learning, ready to learn. Be resilient, self organization and time management. Be proactive, and most important, be yourself. Thank you for listening.